is the dumbest person you've ever met? I attended this wedding a couple of years ago, and during the ceremony, there was a moment that screamed, this relationship won't last. During their vows, when the pastor said the in sickness and in health part, the groom refused to say it and just laughed. The pastor awkwardly stared in silence, waiting for him to say it, but he didn't. Instead, the groom said, just finish your sentence, will you? 6 months later, we heard the bride had been diagnosed with cancer. The moment the groom found out, he filed for divorce and left her. He quickly started dating again and got engaged to 2 women, both of which failed. Meanwhile, the bride went through her treatment alone, and after a few years, achieved complete remission. During her remission, she met a kind and devoted man who stood by her side through the worst of her treatments. When she was declared cancer-free, he proposed to her, promising a future filled with love and unwavering support. To everyone's shock, she declined and chose to remarry her ex again. It still bothers me to this day that she would go back to that. We all knew he married her again because she was expected to receive a large inheritance from her grandfather. We were right because the moment he got his share, he divorced her.